The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is being built by the U.S. Space Agency, NASA. The JWST is designed primarily to conduct infrared astronomy. Its high infrared resolution and sensitivity allow it to view objects too early, distant, or faint for the Hubble Space Telescope. How does James Webb rotate around nothing? In the strictest sense, James Webb is not rotating around anything, but let us explain why scientists have chosen this point in space and why that trajectory. If we look over a period of years, where 1 year corresponds to a period of rotation, it moves in a circle around the Sun. Because the orbit is often shown as a halo orbit around the so-called L2 Lagrange point, it looks like it is orbiting nothing in particular. Let's take a step back and define the Lagrange points. Lagrange points are places in a two-body system, like the Sun and the Earth, where the gravitational pull and the centrifugal force are equal and cancel each other out. There are 5 of these points, which are labeled L1 through L5. If we look at that system as if the Earth and Sun are fixed, we might see that JWST seems to move in an elliptical pattern around that point. Since there is nothing in particular there, JWST on purpose rotates around the Lagrange point L2. This particular choice is because the L2 point is a little unstable. Why L2 point should it be unstable? Because it is often pushed away by other planets like Jupiter and Mars during the revolution of the Earth around the Sun. As a result, scientists have already calculated and found out that orbiting JWST around L2 is less unstable, which seems contradictory, but in reality it does work. This means that it will need less fuel to make up for the push from the other planets. Since the JWST can only do scientific research if its position and orbit can be changed, the more fuel it has, the longer it can do research. Leave a comment below letting us know whether you think this decision made by the scientist makes sense intuitively. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe.